Everyone, in this video I would like to share to you about how to make an attractive bookshelf in a corner room, and I will share to you about how to make a curved window also. First of all, you have to make a line like this. You have to make an existing corner of the wall, and you have to offset it until 150, and don't forget to close this line until it become a plane. Then you have to push it up until 3000 millimeter right here. As you can see a L-shaped wall in this video, and after that you have to make a floor with rectangle, and don't forget to make a thickness of the floor like here. And after that you have to make a rectangle in any position right here, maybe like this, and then you have to push it to the front. It's around 392 millimeter approximately. After that you have to move it and press control it. You have to move and press control and just move it on any position, something like this. Okay, and then you can rotate all of the bookshelf with rotate, and something, so you have to select the object first and press the rotate tools. Something like this. You can lay the rotate tools right here, and just follow this video to make an attractive bookshelf. Okay, as you can see, you can make some additional bookshelf right here. You can make a rectangle again and push it in front of the object right here for the vertical position, and rotate it again, and just rotate it again as position as you want, or it can be attractive bookshelf, but it still got a functional bookshelf anyway, maybe something like this. Okay, and after that you have to make as I said for the first video, I wanna share to you about how to make a curved window like this. You have to make a rectangle for the first, and you can use 2-point arc right here, and just position on it and delete unnecessary object, and you can copy this plane with a move and press control to duplicate it and press on any side, any position. Okay, then you can move it again to duplicate your window opening, and you can subtract this window until it clear look, and you can move it into the outside of the group with edit, copy, and you have to close first and paste in place like here. Then you have to move it and press control to duplicate it, and you can select the offset and set any thickness of frame as you want, or as possible as you can. Just set the wall, just set the frame width. That you have to make a window lip and press control to duplicate it, and you can offset it like this, and you can delete the line, and after that you can push it to get a thickness, and after that you can set the frame of the window wall. the window frame. And after you have to move this plane and press Ctrl to duplicate it again, and you have to offset it until right here. You can keep a thickness of the glass of the window. Okay, after that you have to material. You have to add some material on this window. You can use wood and glass for the panel of window. You can set the opacity right here, and you can set the color of window glass right here. You can make it group and just move it until the position like this video. Okay, and after that you have to make it group and press move and press Ctrl to duplicate it on the right side. And after that you can adjust and you can assign some material to the wall. In this object, maybe you can select the gray material of the wall, so it can look like more attractive and look more beautiful of the corner area of the shelf and window. You can select a synthetic surface, and then you can select a formica laminated light right here, so you can see it something like this. This is a shelf and this is a dark window. Okay, maybe something like this. Thanks for watching. Wait for my next video.